Okay, new challenge. Wait till your dog's sleeping, then take one of his favorite treats and put it under his nose and see if he wakes up.
Dogs have some incredible vision.
Looney, are you ignoring me? I might go for a walk.
Did you hear that, Luna?
Yeah, might go for a walk.
A walk.
Might go for a big long walk down to the water.
Really? A big walk.
Oh, we're friends now, are we?
Did you say walk?
Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. You're the one that destroyed it, not me. I had to throw it in the trash. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I'm a potato.
Bert. Just lick his chops. Bert, are you a lot? Are you a lot?